Hi, I'm going to be showing you how to make stickers today. This is a sticker example that I have. For making a sticker, you will need wax paper, clear tape. Big clear tape works best, but little tape is fine too. A Sharpie or a marker of any color. Sharpies work best. And scissors. Also, you'll need a sheet of paper and some drawing materials. First, I will be drawing a flamingo. You can draw anything you want on your paper. Just make sure to not have it be any bigger than this flamingo. Now you are going to be cutting out the flamingo, or any animal, any sticker you decided to make. It doesn't have to be that good of a cutout. Just try and get the main shape. Done. Now you would take out your tape. Cut a piece big enough to go past the side of your sticker. My sticker is a bit big, so I'm going to be cutting the sides off and then using them to fill the whole sticker. Make sure the sticker is fully covered in duct tape. It might be a bit hard to cut the tape. Once it's fully covered in duct tape, cut out a piece of saran. I will be showing you how to make a backing for the sticker. Cut the duct tape near the sticker so it will fit better and not just look like a big square, unless your sticker is a square. Fold this baking paper in half. Then fold it and then fold a bit over the half like that. I'll be marking the two lines you will fold on. This one you will do first, the pink one, and then you will do the orange one, like this. Now I'll stick the sticker on the the baking paper. If you want to get the sticker off, there will be a little flap on the back that you can pull off. Then you will have a sticker. Now I will be showing you how to make a sticker sheet. Use your black marker to draw a line at the top. Write whoever you're gonna give the sticker sheet to, or maybe the theme of it. Then, cut out stickers. Hit pause now, and when you come back, I will have all my stickers done, and so will you. Now that you have finished making the stickers, you can stick them on the baking sheet. A good thing to do, too, is flip over it and then draw circles around them. Or draw where you made the duct tape around them. Don't draw on the white part. Now, inside of the white part, you can draw what they are. Now, when you flip it back over, you can see shapes around them. Then you know where you should peel.